My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar, an author. I have written so many books. Today we will discuss about the tyranny against the Jews, and I have disclosed all these facts in my book. That is the Lost Paradise Kashmir by Vijay Kumar Pal. So I will tell you some lines of this book about 15 minutes that you must purchase my book. It is clear that the Judaism is the much older religion cult than Islam. This is why many Rasuls, four Rasuls and the Torah book also describe in the Quran. When last so-called Rasul Muhammad bin Abdullah was born in Makkah and grew up, and ultimately he went to in Hira cave in Makkah. Hira cave in Makkah. Makkah and performed austerity. An angel Jibreel or Gabriel came to Muhammad bin Abdullah and recited the first verse or ayat of the Quran. He practiced the Islamic theory, which starts with killings, rapes, and the robbery. He preached the amalgamation of the robbery, killing, rapes of the Kafir woman as a Malik Ganimat. And these ayats were compiled by other as Uthman or the Usman and nine others people after the death of Muhammad Sahib. This was the beginning of the forcibly conversion of the Jews into Islam and killing the Jews, even Quraysh tribe of the Muhammad Sahib, because all Muslims were converted from Jews initially and the Quraysh were not the Muslims also. This is the first violence against Kafirs as per doctrine of the Islam. Mostly Jews were living in the time of the origin of the Islam. When Muhammad bin Abdullah started preaching his own ideology of the violence as from the so-called Gabriel Angel or the Jibril, he first thing did to converted the Jews into Islam, and slowly when Muslims were increasing in numbers, they started to attack on the Jews tribe for robbed their wealth and killed the people who were not willing to embrace Islam. Let us know or see how now many tribes were robbed by the Muslims under the good guidance of the Muhammad Sahib or the bad guidance of the Muhammad Sahib. Banu Qurayza, this was the Jewish tribe which lives in the North Arabia at the oasis of the Yathrib or the Medina not now now known as the Medina. Jewish tribe reportedly arrived in Hazanin in the wake of the Roman-Jewish war and introduced agriculture, putting them in a culturally, economically, and the political dominant position. In 622, the Islamic prophet Muhammad arrived at Yathrib from Makkah in 627. When the Quraysh tribe circumstances of the Quraysh demise have been related by the Ibn Ishaq and other Muslim historians who rallied upon up to account, Muhammad collected 20% of the booty, which was then distributed to the Muslims in need, as was the customary as per his share of the spoils. Muhammad selected a woman, Rayana, for himself. Rayana bint Zaid was a Jewish of the Banu Nadir tribe and married to Banu Qurayza tribe. Muhammad took her as a slave. Banu Nadir. Banu Nadir was also a Jewish tribe and its habitat was in the northern area until the 7th century at the oasis of the Medina. The tribe challenged Muhammad Sahib as the leader of the Medina. The tribe challenged and was expelled from Medina. This is the Gunism of the Muhammad always against the Jews. Quraysh tribe. This belonged to the Muhammad Sahib and this tribe was from Makkah and Hasimati clan of the Muhammad Sahib, and they opposed Muhammad Sahib, and due to this Muhammad Sahib went to Medina for save his life. The land of Arab is the primarily land of the Jewish tribes, but due to the conflict with Muhammad Sahib, they were the most persecuted side from the Gunism of the Islam. And after Christians, even they were forcibly displaced from their own lands, killed, converted in Islam forcibly as Zoroastrianism. Massacre of Hindus in Kashmir Valley. Kashmir was the total Hindus land and many rishis and the muni, religious saint or the saint from the Vedic religion and culture were adopted there and written so many religious books in the valley of the Kashmir. All was doing well before Hamadani, a Sufi Gunda, not a saint, because there is no saint in Islam, came to Kashmir. He disturbed all the Kashmir valley as Aurangzeb and the Mughals distributed India. This was prior to Mughal invasion as in India. The first Muslim king was Shah Mir after the last Hindu queen Kota Rani. He was very notorious as all Muslim kings were. According to the doctrine of Islam, and although many Kashmiri Hindus were converted to Islam, those not converted, killing by the kings and took their properties, were given newly converted Muslims. The forcibly exodus, conversion, killing and rapes of the Hindus women was very common in those days. However, it is very common till 214. And BJP government in power, the terrorist aim to make Kashmir separate is biointed by Indian army. These monkeys-like activities of these radicalized Muslims. Every Muslim is monkey, but not a pure monkey. He is a filthy monkey who always try to originate a Guinism in the name of the Islam. And BJP government in power. These monkeys-like activities of these radicalized Muslims is the object of mixed laughter, soap opera, and the jokers of circus. All these Islamic fool terrorists. These terrorists are very frustrated not in Kashmir but all over the world due to this type of the lunatic, fanatic, heinous and Herculean type works or the deeds. Today that is Today, that is the 19th February 2026, many rallies were organized in Bhopal, Aligarh Muslim University in Mumbai, especially in favor of these terrorists who slitted the neck of 70 years old woman and priest of the church, including one woman. These stupids are saying Indian radicalized Muslim that teacher insulted the Prophet Muhammad Sahib. How insulted the Muhammad bin Abdullah? Not at all. And what was the relation of the two women, 70 and 40, and one priest of the church? Actually, this is the shirk, the tradition which allows every Muslim to kill any kafir merely on criticizing that earth is stable. This is the blasphemy to the Muslim. Means follow the wrong things. Islam is good and with his full stupidity. And if you logically criticize it, then it is a blasphemy. Radicalized Muslims are, Akruddin Owaisi says, a observer to the Ram and Sita Mata and cow, though he is the member of Legislative Assembly of the Telangana, and his brother Asuddin Owaisi is the same, who always abused the Hinduism, RSS, VSP and Bajrang Dal, but always keep mum on 24 verses of the Quran, which provokes violence against Kafirs. These converted Muslims are so arrogant and ignorant that they are abusing their Hindus forefathers. These all converted Muslims are doing the blasphemy against these forefathers. This is the instances of the extreme shamelessness and shows the mind with the hollowness. These Kashmiri Muslims radicalized, though it's Islam itself is fully radicalized, are the descendant of Hindus. If this simple thing they do not know, this is the stupidity is the root cause of the terrorism. And Kashmir is the very, very land of the Hindus, not even all Muslims of this country and all Muslim countries except Iran to Turkmenistan and the Brunei is the land of Hindus in Asia. If you Muslims are the real follower of the Islam, then you must know this fact. Otherwise, you are cheating with Islam and Allah. Allah is a truth lover, and then this all lands of the Hindus return their land to them, and all temples return to Hindus, which were desecrated by Muslim invaders. There is not even a single mosque in Indian subcontinent and in North India. Mainly all mosques were built with the raw material of the temples. After destructing these temples, so many requests to all Muslim liars who are asking the Babri Masjid. This was the only encroachment by Jihadi invaders by force. So please all mosques which were built on temple land returned to Hindus. This is the teaching if in Islam. But I know since inception of Islam was the group of the robbers, invaders and the killers of the Kafirs. Otherwise, doctrine of Islam is well known to all, with written proofs as in Quran to kill the kafirs, destroy their worship places, and women as a mali ganimat. Question of the demographic change in the Kashmir. We have seen on TV, both in the Pakistani and Indian TV channels, that BJP government is trying to change the demography by removal of 370 and 35A. Let us see how the demography was changed by the Islam country was as below. Iran, basically Iran, Persia was the land of the Zoroastrians and earliest was known as the Persia. When Arabs attacked on Iran or Persia, Muslims persecuted so much that many Zoroastrians were killed in Caliphate era, and many embraced Islam due to the fear of the death. And many fled to India, as Tata, Soli Sorabji, Aruna Irani, Boman Irani, Godrej, Nari contractor, Ruby Myers, Elias, Sulochana, Cyrus Mistry, Farooq engineer are the descendant of our beloved Parsi brethren. Farooq engineer is our cricketer who came to India. Almost all Iran was converted as an Islamic country up to 12th century. Syria was a Jewish majority country, Christian majority country as primarily, but due to origin of Islam, Syria converted in an Islamic country. Very soon, and the demography completely was changed by the sword of the bloodthirsty of the Islam. Egypt. This country was primarily Jewish or the Christian majority country, and after invasions of the Ziyadi radicalized Islamic mullahs, it turned into a Muslim majority country. Iraq was a majority of the Zoroastrians, Jews, and the Christian countries, but its demography changed into Islamic country by the tyrant, bloodthirsty sword of the Islam. Jordan was pure Jewish country and converted into Islam, and it is believed by the same scientists that Makkah city was not present at the time of the birth of this goon, that is the prophet of the Islam, Muhammad. Now, archaeological department of the Jordan and some scientists are doing research in the contrast. Mr. Dan Gibson are research on this topic. Demographic change in Indian subcontinent. Muslims scholars can say that our enmity to Christians due to the many crusades against the Muslims, but they cannot say that the Hindus were violent against Islam. But here the Hindus were most sufferers by the hand of the Muslims. Though Hindus resisted too much, and this is why Hindus are still in large and majority religion in Afghanistan to Malaysia. Here we should know that Buddhism, Jainism, and the Sikhism are the integral part of the Sanatan Vedic culture. Afghanistan was a Sanatan Vedic religion dominated land. Gandhari was belonged to Gandhar, the mother of Duryodhan, now as Kandahar in Afghanistan. Gandhari father's name was King Subala and a brother Sakuni. After the death of the king Subala, Sakuni took over this kingship of Gandhar, or now Kandahar in Afghanistan. Gandhar is also the name of the Bhagwan Shiv. When Arab attacks on Afghanistan and Turks also invaded and Hindus were forcibly converted into Islam, whole demography changed by the Muslims. And there are only few Hindus and the Sikhs there in Kabul, the central capital of the Afghanistan. So this is the demographic change by the Muslims or Islamic Gunism. The next part of this Islamic Gunism or forcibly conversion into Islam by the Muslim goons or the Muslim robbers, I will tell you in the next video. Thank you very much.